Start up on the stands under orders. They break away from the barrier. Perfect line out by all the 9 runners as the field is reduced to 9 with the withdrawal of Lockhart. And settling down to race, its rhythm selection takes the charge early from Peaky Blinders. Big Brave on the outside into clear second. Peaky Blinders holds the fence. The one on the outside who came from outside draw running fourth. Little Keen is Ashwa Ashobali. That's My Magic towards the fence. Spicy Star on the outside. They go stride for stride. Length and a half behind is Rule the World, followed by Kesari Balam. And Gusty Look sits last, who is nearly 10 lengths from the leader. And the leader is Rhythm Selection, crossing the 1100 meter mark. Leads well by about 3 parts of of Big Brave, Peaky Blinders, Ashwa Ashobali in that order. Another 3 parts of a length behind. That's My Magic on the fence. On the outside now is Spicy Star, joined by Rule the World. Length and a half behind. Kesari Balam, half a length behind. Running 1 deep, Gusty Look as they cross past the 800 meter mark now, and Rhythm Selection on a start to finish bid leads well by about a length and a half to the good of Big Brave and Peaky Blinders going stride for stride in second. Ashwa Ashobali handy third on the outside, followed by Rule the World on the improve close to the fence. That's My Magic looking for a gap between the runners. They followed then by Kesari Balam, Spicy Star on the reminders as they swing into the straight, followed by Gusty Look. They are homeward bound, more than 2 furlongs to run with Rhythm Selection kicking on by about a length and a half to the good of Peaky Blinders. Ashwa Ashobali under reminders, followed by Rule the World. They followed then by Kesari Balam. Spicy Star has to cover a lot of ground towards the fences. That's My Magic as Rhythm Selection tackled by Peaky Blinders. Now warming up on the outside is Kesari Balam along with Ashwa Ashobali as Peaky Blinders has stormed into the lead with Kesari Balam trying hard to throw a challenge, but Peaky Blinders will hold on to win it by 3/4 of a length from Kesari Balam, followed by long-time leader Rhythm Selection, Rule the World, Ashwa Ashobali together. They followed then by Spicy Star, and That's My Magic, Gusty Look, and finishing